Strong social support increase self-esteem, ease anxiety, and improve overall health. You should progress beyond the friends you made in school or college. Because as you get older, formal school friends drift away, people pass on, and friendship circles diminish. Making friends later in life can be challenging, but not impossible. Try these 7 tips to make friends at any age. Number 1. Make time for your hobbies. Doing things you enjoy is the easiest way to build new friendships organically. Brush up on your art skills with a community painting class, boost your endorphins with a group exercise class, join a book club, the opportunities are endless. Number 2. Don't be afraid to make the first move. Much like dating, finding friendships requires you to take chances and put yourself out there. Don't let the fear of rejection hold you back from making the first move and showing interest in getting to know someone. If your invitation is rebuffed or you find you don't have a strong connection, don't take it personally. Congratulate yourself on having the courage to have taken that risk. Take a breath and when it feels appropriate, try again with someone else. Number 3. Join a community or volunteer group. Repeated exposure and shared interest are the 2 main elements that foster friendships. Look for opportunities to regularly see the same group of people. Bonus points if it's a group of people who naturally have the same interests or values. As you get to know these peers, you'll likely have an easier time building deeper friendships. Number 4. Have an open mind. When approaching someone new, have an open mind for a potential friendship. Try to be a little more forgiving and flexible during your interactions and give the person more time to grow on you. Focus more on the positive aspects of the person while ignoring minor flaws or differences. While there is a harmony that comes with finding someone similar to you, don't ignore people with different interests. Sometimes we gravitate toward people who we feel most similar to, but a lot of richness can come from difference. Number 5. Work on your self-esteem. Building up your confidence can be a great help in finding friendships. Engage in self-compassion and positive self-talk on a regular basis. As you build up confidence in yourself, use this as an opportunity to build self-awareness. Ask yourself what types of relationships you want to have in your life and discover what qualities you bring to a friendship. Having a better understanding of yourself can help you attract people who fit the relationship you are looking for and weed out fickle friendships. Number 6. Look at the people you already know. While you are making new friends, don't forget the people you already know. Are there acquaintances at work, at church, in your neighborhood, involved in your child's or your own school, or elsewhere with whom you could develop a friendship? Consider reaching out to them. Make an effort to strengthen an existing relationship and see where it takes you. Number 7. Embrace the web. Online communities can make their way into in-person friendships. A surprising amount of friend-induced happiness comes from digital connections. Search for local groups with people of common interest on Facebook, or find local virtual and in-person events using apps like Meetup. Subscribe!